It's a strange feeling to be American and to have missed out on something cool that the rest of the world has already gotten its hands on. That's something that I think is going to be happening more often in the near future, but still, I am a day late and about $70 short with the new OnePlus Slim Magnetic Power Bank. In the United States, this is $70. I got a coupon on the OnePlus store app that I think brought it down to like $50 or something, but this is a very premiumly priced accessory for a phone, especially for this being a first-party OnePlus accessory. OnePlus, of course, is a brand that prides itself on delivering flagship performance at a price that doesn't make your nose bleed. This is outclassed by almost every competitor in terms of price. So the big question for me is this form factor going to be worth the $70? Spoiler, I think it's going to be no. Even for $50, I think this is priced a little ridiculously. But did you think that a wireless power bank could be this sexy? Let's open it up. I'm getting hot and bothered over here. Just a reminder that every gadget is going to one day break or fail. I'm not sponsored. OnePlus did not send this to me. I spent my hard-earned dollary dues on this power bank. I don't expect that this has made it to me at full charge. If you ever get a gadget and it's charged up to 100%, that's a little concerning. Things shouldn't be sitting on warehouse shelves at 100%. They should be somewhere around 80% to prevent battery degradation. Here we are. Oh, it is as tiny as I hoped. You know how sometimes a tech manufacturer will, in the pictures, make something out to be incredibly thin, and then you get it and it's like, it's clear that that was photoshopped or that was a render. This is not the case. It is... Oh, hell. Wait, hold on. Yeah, hold on. I'm suspicious here. I know that the proportions are different, but I don't know. What do y'all think? Okay, it's not a big deal. I'm not even sure if this is an inaccurate rendering, but it's still very clearly a pretty sexy power bank. Is that weird? Is it weird for a power bank to be sexy? Almost certainly, yes. Also within the box is a little product manual, as well as a USB-C to C cable. God forbid they include this with their phones ever, because we still get the A to C cable, even as recently as the OnePlus 13. But you get a C to C cable here, so that's nice. On the bottom corner of this, we have a single power button that when we tap it, it shows, it is about 25% charged. It's not a big deal, but it is a $70 5,000 milliamp hour battery bank. On the opposite side of this power button, we have the single USB-C port, and this is what you use to charge this battery bank. And you can also use this port to charge the phone itself. You are not restricted to using this battery bank wirelessly. So I'm gonna give this a try now with the OnePlus 13 official Aramid fiber case. Ooh, that's nice. It aligns pretty perfectly. There's also a gap built into the form factor here, which I assume is there to help airflow. This will keep the battery and the phone from heating up. Wireless charging is a heat generating and lossy way of transferring power, which is why a 5,000 milliamp hour battery will not fully charge a 5,000 milliamp hour phone battery, either wired or especially not wirelessly, simply because some of that is lost in the transfer. This still feels really good to use one-handed. Of course, it makes the phone a little heavier. It doesn't really snap into place at all, so it's, you know, I can have it a little topsy-turvy here, but when I slap it on there, it's good. It's a good slap-on experience. Slap on, slap off. And now it's not charging. Hello? It is flashing at the lowest light now, so looks like I need to charge up this power bank. It is the entire next day now. The reason being is that it took this thing a while to charge.
Ooh, it hit that sweet sub 2 hour, 40-minute charge time. Very desirable.
It's not a big deal. Most battery banks take about that long, if not longer. But again, this is only 5,000 milliamp hours, so it is not a fast charge. It only takes a maximum of 10 watts from its charging cable. I did actually try using a faster 65 watt charger, and it would not even take a charge from that. So it appears that you are stuck using slow charging cables to charge this battery bank. I wonder if it can charge wirelessly. I'm gonna try that. No, it does not charge wirelessly. So the only way you can charge this battery bank is by plugging it in with a low power USB-C cable. So it's not going to charge fast. It's never going to charge fast. And it's also not going to charge your phone very quickly. Its maximum output with both a wired and wireless connection is 10-watt charging, so it really is just going to be something that tops off your phone's battery. Considering that the OnePlus 13 has a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, this battery bank is already small enough to not really charge up the phone all the way. In fact, I bet that you're not going to be able to get more than 60% charge of the phone's battery out of this battery bank.
I have 2 hours and 15 minutes, and this battery is now dead. And it got me from 14% to 49% in low power mode.
Why does this exist? Why does this device exist? It's beautiful, it's slim, it's light, but honestly, I expect that my wife will be using this far more than I am because she has an iPhone 16 Pro, and that's a great phone, but its battery life is inferior to that of the OnePlus 13. So I think something like this that is light and attractive and does not ruin the experience of using the phone one-handed is going to be really wonderful for any phone that supports magnetic accessories like this. It probably goes without saying, but the OnePlus 13 is only compatible with this wireless battery bank if you have a MagSafe compatible case. I believe all of the OnePlus 13 official cases are compatible with magnetic wireless accessories like this, but if you have a third-party case that is supposedly compatible with magnetic accessories, but you find that it's not charging using wireless magnetic chargers, that's because that ring isn't correctly aligned in the case. I have experienced that on some cases. Fortunately, my other favorite case for this phone, which is the Nokia MagSafe case, I'm not sponsored, can you believe it? It does work with this because these rings are correctly aligned for the OnePlus 13. This isn't worth $70. It's probably not worth $50. I think it's a cool get for $35, $40 USD. And honestly, it probably won't ever reach that price. I do have a better recommendation for you. One sec. This is the Anker Zolo magnetic wireless power bank. It's really not the same kind of device. Once again, the form factor is the reason for that. They're roughly the same surface area, but it is significantly thicker, significantly heavier. However, this is 10,000 milliamp hours, so it has twice the capacity of the OnePlus magnetic bank. It is also wireless. It also offers wired charging. This little lanyard looking loop actually is the cable. You pop this right out and then you can attach it to your phone. It's already charging wirelessly. This charges at 7.5 watts, so this is still going to be a trickle charge when it's wirelessly charging. However, you can also just plug it straight in and it's going to start charging at 30 watts. So it's going to be a significantly faster charge than the OnePlus magnetic power bank. Additionally, it has this kickstand on the back so you can fold it out and wow, look, it's a kickstand. That's charming. This has definitely become my go-to travel power bank. This charges up the OnePlus 13 about 1.5 times fully. And most importantly, it is much, much cheaper. I picked this up on sale for $25 USD. However, its MSRP is $50 and it is very routinely on sale. Again, faster and larger, prettier and lighter. $70, $50 on sale. $50, $25 on sale. You tell me which is better. It seems pretty clear to me. I'm looking forward to being able to stuff this in a jacket pocket. It's going to act as some pretty good body armor, and it is a slim, low profile, last resort, like break glass in case of emergency sort of device to be carrying around. I think it's just not that useful, and it is definitely not a good buy at $70. OnePlus, I really like you. This doesn't change anything. I just think this is a goofy product. Anyways, if this was helpful and you want to see more content like this, subscribe. I put out a video or two a month and I like doing this. Feel free to like the video, but more importantly, please comment. I actually just really enjoy knowing that I'm not just yapping into the void for no reason at all. So I really like knowing that I was able to be helpful in a video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one, and please take care of yourself. Bye.